Hey guys, Glen Murray, Profit Video Review, Walkthrough, and Demo. Just want to jump on here. I'm actually not in the office because my wife is hosting a webinar all weekend long, actually a seminar online. So I am designated to our second office, which is basically our bedroom. So it's the quietest place in the house, but you can probably hear the kids in the background. But today we are going to jump into ProfitVideo. This is a really cool software. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through their demo video, and then I'll show you the back office, and I'll show you the bonuses I put together for you. I put together a pretty great bonus package for you. If my computer jumps around, don't worry, guys. I'm kind of balancing on my knees, and also I'm under the weather. We had to go get COVID tested yesterday, so good thing is we're all negative, but we did come down with a pretty nasty cold. So first off, make sure you hit subscribe, and a thumbs up and all that good stuff. And then we're going to get into, let's go over to the bonus page and we'll take a look at that first. So what am I popping into this Camtasia killer? And we'll come back to the OTOs and all that kind of stuff, guys. But first off, the number one bonus I'm going to get you guys is YouTube Velocity. This is going to be unlock, set, and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in 15 minutes. You need this if you're going to go into doing any videos. You're going to definitely need this. Secondly, I'm going to give you Traffic Crush. This is a $97 product, and I use this all the time. This is a phenomenal product. It's going to be yours. Very cool. I've also got how to make $100 per day just using your cell phone, guys. Anytime, anywhere, just use your cell phone. You're gonna be able to make $100 a day. Also have TweetX, which is an automated system for growing your Twitter following. Great system. And then I'm gonna get you access to all the vendor bonuses. And I'm just gonna give you guys a little sneak peek here. This is what you're getting. Vendor bonuses, guys. You're just gonna get a ton of bonuses on top of what you get from me. So you definitely want to pick this up, even if you're just picking up the front end, pick it up for all the bonuses. But other than that, it's going to be a very cool product that you're going to want to have. All right, so let's get into let's watch the video, and then when the demo video is over, I'm going to take you into the back office and sort of show you what's going on there. All right, so here we go.
This is a video created with ProfitVideo, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to edit videos with ProfitVideo. So let's just dive right in. So after logging in, we're heading to Video Maker, and here we have all of our videos. And here we can see the exact video we just saw. Here it is. Now, let's quickly play around with it. So we're going to place it in our clipboard where we're going to do all of the editing. As with any video editor, I can place several videos in the clipboard and join them. But we're just going to focus on this one for now. So you have a bunch of options. You can add subtitles, you can add text, we can add a watermark. For example, we can edit wherever we want. And using this drag and drop timeline editor, you can also select how long the watermark should last. What's more, you can also select a certain section of a video. So for example, if I'm going to choose these first 10 seconds and I'm going to just cut them here, you'll be able to see the whole video now has 10 seconds. We can also do this for several other things. We can add different filters and we can just give it some contrast, and you can see this image has a crisper quality. You can also crop. So for example, if I don't like that logo, I can just crop it out. Got a little bit more there. And so much more. You can rotate, and that gives so many possibilities for editing your videos and doing anything you want in this web app video editor. After editing the video and doing everything you like to it, just create video, let it process for a bit. And after that, we just select a name, like Profit Video Demo. And we can select different sizes, the quality. I'm going to set it as high. Going to do it as full HD. We can select different formats and then also different ratios. If you have any audio files, you'll be able to choose a background audio. You can even select some text on video that you can add afterwards. Once you're done with everything, just click create. And if we go to check inside our home, we'll be able to see the video exactly like we edited it. And we'll see it with everything we did, even with the filter, if we rotated it, everything else. What's more, you can even record your screen, so you don't need anything else apart from ProfitVideo. You can record your screen, drop it directly into the video maker, edit your video and upload it to YouTube or wherever you need it to be. It's as easy as just start screen record, we select what we want. I'm just going to record my entire screen, allow, and it starts showing right here. And if I click on stop recording, I'm going to give it a file name, demo, and I'm going to save it. And I'm also going to be able to see it right here to see exactly what I did during this screen record session. You can even open up your camera so as to record yourself and have a cool presentation. So if you want to be a professional editor for a low one-time fee, grab ProfitVideo right now and I will see you inside.
Okay, guys, that's pretty cool. So you got to see what exactly is going on there. So basically, I've tested out the software. It works pretty good. There's one little glitch with putting the text on, but that was no big deal. But let's pop over to the sales page and see what the sales page says exactly. So brand new Camtasia killer software. It lets you record, screen capture, and edit videos in the cloud within minutes. Say goodbye to expensive and complex video editors or having to pay others for your videos. So it is, and all these things, guys, commercial license is built in, so you can just make the videos and sell them. Hurry, price reverts to monthly fee in, not sure when they're going to put it into a monthly fee. It will probably turn into a monthly fee. Very, very cool program. A lot of these programs do turn into just, they go on a monthly, so that way they can keep maintaining them. But usually when they're launched, you can get a one-time fee, which is really, really cool. Okay, so scrolling down, there's some great testimonials for it, and then they've got some bonuses. Let's see, jump right down to the bottom here. Where are the bonuses? Sorry, guys, my nose is still stuffed up. Trying to find it here. Well, we saw all those bonuses, guys. There's a tons and tons of bonuses. Okay, so let's jump over to the behind the scenes. This is what you guys want to see. So this is basically the this is the home screen. This is where your videos that you make. This is the video maker, just like you saw him doing in there. So you go over and then you have all the media file. You'll see a video I recorded in here while I was testing it. I'm not going to turn on the cam recorder because I'm using my recording software, which I have already set up. So I'm not making this using ProfitVideo because I didn't want it to have the learning curve of trying to make it with this. But I did. Oh, it did record great. It's super easy. You just sort of click on the one that you want. You can watch it in here. You can turn it down just like he was doing, guys. All the annotations. Once you add it to the clipboard down here, now you can work on it and you get to add all these, do all these things to it. The screen recorder worked very, very well. Super simple. You just start screen recording. You pick which screen you want to record, and then the cam recorder. But I'm not going to turn that on because it actually opens the camera up, and I don't want to mess with the camera running because I don't have my other camera attached. If that makes sense to you, but it does work. So you guys saw that I did my recording and it worked fine. Basically, really simple, guys. Super simple. They've got a ton of training in here. It's definitely if you're an affiliate marketer, you're definitely gonna want to pick up this tool. Let's jump over and we're gonna go back here and we're gonna just look at the OTOs and sort of look at what you're going to get with this thing. There we go. All right. So where is it here? Oh my goodness, I gotta find it here. Let's grab this. There we go. So Glen's mega bonus page, profit video, brand new Camtasia killer software. So let's go down to the upsells. So upsell 1 is the Pro Edition. The front end is $17 with a downsell $15, guys. Upsell is the Pro Edition is $27. You're going to get some more bells and whistles. Enterprise Edition, of course, they're going to add on more. Profit Video Done For You Edition. So they're going to make some videos for you, which is pretty cool. Reseller, you get 100% rights. And then the IMX bundle, guys. This is a really cool thing that this producer creates. They give you access to their software. They'll send out software to you every month. So it's really cool. You get these cool softwares. Now, you do not get all their software, but you get some really cool software. They don't do their big launches, but they're always giving out software, so it is worthwhile. Anyways, that is it, guys. If get back on here, my screen got smaller. There we go, my talking head. So Profit Video, definitely a very cool tool if you're looking at getting into video recording and editing and that kind of thing. Now it is basic, guys, but that's all you need. If you just want to make some basic videos, then this is going to be perfect for you. If you want to go on for a whole suite, you know, you can go get, what is it, the OSB suite, which is free. If you're on a Mac, you've got iMovie. If you're on a PC, but if you want to pick up a really cool tool that if you're using Camtasia or you were thinking about getting Camtasia, I'd definitely check this out for a one-time fee. But the other thing is, just pick it up for the bonuses, guys. The bonuses are incredible. This bonus package with all my bonuses plus all the vendor bonuses, it's crazy just for like what was it, $15 or $12 kind of thing. Definitely recommend it. Click the link below and check out my other links, guys. If you're looking for an online business and you want to learn how to do high ticket sales, definitely check out some of my links below. That's where I make most of my money. These review videos are actually just to get people onto my email list and to help people out in deciding on how, if they're looking for software that will work for them. So hopefully it's helpful for you. So make sure you hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.